Right here. Whose dish is this? What is it? And the significance? Right here.
Who is this?
So this is adobong pechay. Adobo is a quintessential dish in the Philippines. It can be made up of different like vegetables or meat. Primary ingredients are soy sauce, vinegar, and garlic. So we have a meat option over there, which is made from chicken and eggs adobo.
Wonderful. Thank you. Next.
So this dishes is kind of very similar with the previous one. So this is a cabbage with soy sauce and garlic together. It's kind of Chinese style.
Okay, wonderful. Lots of garlic. Hopefully no one has a first date tonight. Great. Excellent. Thank you.
So this is called kelewele in our local language.
Say that again.
Kelewele.
I hope it's as fun to eat as it is to say.
It's made from plantain. So the yellow plantain, not the green one, the ripe one. And we add ginger, pepper, and then salt to taste. So we usually have it as a snack or when you're watching a movie.
Okay.
Yeah, or you can add it to rice or any other dish.
Oh.
And sometimes peanuts.
Okay.
Nuts as well. Okay. Wonderful. Okay.
This one.
Yeah, this is a traditional Chinese dessert.
Oh.
Yeah, I spent 2 days.
Wow.
Yes, this is wood ear. Wood ear is the black one and white one. This is white wood ear.
Yeah.
And the red one is red dates. It's very, I just put in the fridge in the morning, so it's very cool.
Okay. Wonderful. Do you believe it took her 2 days? Yes?
It's really because we always say.
Just checking.
Yeah, it will take
High uncertainty avoidance. Okay. Wonderful. Up next.
Yeah, this is a Chinese rice noodles, and this is a spicy one. Because this is the same that I should soak this rice noodles in the water yesterday night from the so it also needs a long time, and this is also traditional dishes in my city because my city is very hot in the summer and we have no appetite to take the food in the summer, so we need this colder and spicy rice noodles to increase the appetite. So it's, I hope you can enjoy it.
Wonderful. I'm up next. This looks terrible right now. I just have to heat it up. So Canadian culture, as a very colonized country, outside of indigenous food, everything is from somewhere else. So I picked making something that is Italian because Italian is like a safe restaurant option. Often when people think of fancy restaurants in Winnipeg, they will go with Italian. So this is not indigenous to Canada. I am not Italian. But when we think of going out for dinner, this is probably the safest and most all-encompassing aspect. So this is a mushroom-filled, garlic as well, portobello mushroom ravioli that is vegetarian as well. Yeah.
So next is the red cheese. This is our traditional, cuisine. This is a preparation from my grandmother. It's this is a traditional thing. So I learned it from my mom, and my mom learned it from my grandmother. It's full of spices because Indian people love spices and oil things. So it is of, it comprises of tomatoes and onion and garlic, and actually it can be having with rice and with breads as well. Yeah.
Wonderful. Yummy. Right here.
Yeah, so this is me. Somebody can come. Okay, so this is okay. I don't cook, unfortunately, but this banana.
Take that off the film.
This is banana bread made of a banana and bread, of course. But this is the homemade cookies. I had to take help from one of my friends to make these. These are made of chocolates, of course. So basically these are chocolate cookies.
Great. So not a cooker, but a baker. Okay, great.
My food's name is
types of Chinese bread, which made from lamb, onion, and the flour. So actually, it's a Muslim food, but in our country, it's very popular in common. So I very love it, and so I hope I know my classmates is Muslim. I hope everyone can test.
Okay, great.
So I cook according the
Yes.
Muslim
Okay.
formula.
Okay. Is there meat? Yes? Okay, so this one, meat. Just 'cause
Needs
I
to
know
go
it's
to
vegetarian.
the other.
Lamb,
Yeah,
Muslim
lamb.
can.
So just a heads up for this one.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Maybe we'll move that one to the other table too.
Yeah.
But let's go. Very well explained.